All right, Intro to Computer Science for my virtual class today. We are working on Lesson 10 in code.org. So I'm going to go to Computer Science, which you should already be here if you're on this video. We're going to go to Modules. In Modules, we're going to come down here to Lesson 10. So last couple days we've been working on intellectual property, so copyrights, how to add those image tags into your code.org. And today we're looking at websites for expression. Here is your lesson plan and information. All this comes from code.org. So we're going to work on expressing ourselves through a website. Okay, so there is the purpose of this lesson. How can we use a website to express ourselves? So we're going to go to code.org. On lesson 10, how can we express ourselves? We end up doing this worksheet. You can download it here, or I have it in the assignment where you're going to submit it. We're going to look and click continue and look at here. There are some sample web pages that other students created at some point in time, and code.org used those as examples. So you can just click on those and look at this web page. So this is a single page. There's no buttons on it. To see, what type of information, how they're expressing their ideas. Okay, so this one is about is a poem with Japanese origins. So here's some examples of those poems. All right, so there's that one. We can come back and we can look at my trip. So it's information about somebody's recent trip to express themselves. How about recycling club? And what recycling club is about. And so all this is on one page. And so we were going to do this page about yourself. So we're going to look at the worksheet. And I'll go down here and pull it up so we can kind of look at it. All right, so it says brainstorm some ideas about yourself. What are some fun things you like to do? What are things you know more about than other people? What are things you care about in your school, your community, or even the world at large? What message do you want to share with the audience? So in this box over here, you're going to type that in. These are ideas that would be about you. So we're going to end up with a final website. At the end of this whole web unit is you're going to have an introduction page. So this is going to be the introduction page of what things your website's going to be about. And then you're going to end up making individual pages and have buttons that will link to those pages, so it'll be more in-depth about the different topics. So you need to kind of think about three of those things that you would really want to write about. So what you do for fun, what do you really know a lot about? So maybe you're a gamer and you wrote really a lot about a specific game and you'd like to be able to teach people how to play it or share your information. Or what are those things you really care about? Nature, animals, sleep. Why is sleep so important to you, to people, and all that good stuff? And you're going to fill out the rest of this worksheet. It's really one page. So if I click this, you can look, it's one page. So you type some information in here, you answer these three questions, and you submit it. And that's the assignment for Wednesday, September 23rd. All right. Let's go back. We're going to look at what you're going to do for Friday. All right, so we're going to go back into the module and for Thursday, and we're going to move on Thursday. We're just going to look here and talk with this a minute. So tomorrow, Thursday, we're going to work on styling elements. So you put in some pictures in 9, and now we're going to style those. We're going to put borders around them. We're going to float them to the right, to the left, to the center, and be able to wrap the words around them. And so now you're going to start preparing your web page. You're going to do this worksheet and plan out how this web page is going to look. And so you want to draw it out and give examples and then take a snapshot and submit it to the assignment. So this will be an assignment submission here. And then next Monday, we're going to really work on that project and get it submitted. So we're going to move on, and we're just going to, so by the end of lesson 13, you're going to have one page that's introducing what your entire website is going to be about. So you need to make sure that you're still getting all these assignments done, working through the bubbles in code.org. It shows me what you have done. So make sure that you're getting through those, because I'm going to start putting points in for completing all those bubbles, and you need to make sure you get points where you can. All right, thank you and have a great day.